Hello, everyone. Welcome back to NB English Learning. I'm Noor.
And I'm Eman. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yes, truly happy because today's lesson is simple but powerful.
We are going to talk about one small word, get.
Let's be honest. Get is everywhere.
You hear it in movies, in conversations, in daily life.
And sometimes you feel confused. What does get mean here?
Exactly, because get has many meanings.
Let's start very simple. Get equals receive.
This is the first meaning most learners know. Examples: I got a message. I got an email. I got a gift.
Simple. You receive something.
And in daily English, people say get more than receive.
Now, here comes the confusion. Get can also mean become.
Examples: I get tired. I get angry. I get nervous.
You were not tired before. Now you become tired. This is about change.
This is very important. We use get with emotions. Examples: I get happy. I get sad. I get excited. I get bored. I get stressed.
These are real-life sentences, not textbook, but natural English.
Now listen carefully. Get tired of something. Get bored of something. Examples: I get tired of noise. I get bored of waiting. I get frustrated with slow internet.
This means you experience that feeling again and again. Now another meaning. Get equals arrive.
Examples: What time did you get home? I got here at 10. Did you get to work on time?
Native speakers don't say arrive in daily talk. They say get.
Shopping time. Get equals buy. Examples: I need to get milk. I got a new phone. Let's get some coffee.
It sounds more natural than buy.
This one surprises learners. Get equals bring, call, contact. Examples: Can you get the doctor? I'll get my friend. Please get my phone.
It means go and bring or contact.
Now the scary part.
Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Movement. Get in the car. Enter. Get out of the car. Leave. Get on the bus. Get off the train.
Small rule. Cars, in/out. Bus, train, on/off.
Very important phrase. I get it.
Meaning, I understand. Examples: Oh, I get it now. I don't get it. I didn't get that.
This is very natural English.
Now something beautiful. Get shows change over time.
Examples: It's getting cold. Life is getting busy. My English is getting better.
Slow change step by step.
Let's fix some mistakes. I get very confusing. I get confused. I am get tired. I get tired.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking.
Here's a simple rule. Don't translate get. Feel it.
Listen to the situation and understand the meaning naturally.
Practice every day. Just 3 sentences with get. Examples: I get tired at night. I got a message. I need to get coffee.
Can we say something honest?
Yes, your English is not bad.
You're just learning,
Fluency comes from courage.
not perfection.
Ending practice. Repeat softly. I'm getting better. I don't get everything. And that's okay.
If this video helped you, please like
And subscribe to NB English Learning.
and share with a friend.
Keep speaking.
Keep learning.
You're not bad at English. You're just getting better.